Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Zeus, the mythic character from Stumble Guys, starting with a big line like that for the top of his head, and that's like his beard, and that's where his head's sort of going to sit in there. Now his head's really big compared to his body, so that's basically directly below there is his shorts. He's got a sash that comes down like this, and then we've got his arm coming out there, another arm coming out here. So, and then he's got his feet. 1, 2. Now I've constructed him up. Let's draw Zeus's eyes in first. So I'm going to draw in black, but they are white eyes. So we've got his eyes and his eyebrows. He's looking pretty nasty. So he's got a triangle shape like that. Then this eye is over this side. Start with the 2 triangles like so for the eyes. Now he's got this beard, so we're going to start with the mustache. So in between here, we're going to put a little line like that. And it's going to come around like so. There's his mustache. Now let's finish his beard off. His beard comes up, down, and curves down to a point here. And comes up and then to the side of his head there like this. So he's got his mustache and beard. Now let's draw his head. This side of his head comes up and then across like this. Now we've got his hair coming from, he's got like this middle part. So let's bring his hair, comes down and around like that. And you sort of see this edge that comes up and around like that. And he's got hair that comes up, comes out, comes up. It's like a central part. His hair comes down this side, comes in like that, and around like so. And then we see this part here coming up and around into there. And this part comes down and around like that. So there's his hair. Don't forget the side of his head there. So that's part of his head. This is his hair. Now he's got this big shoulder. He's pretty muscly. Good old Zeus. And then he's got like a pec. So one of his big chest muscles come out like that. The other one comes across, hits this sash that comes across. So let's draw the sash line coming around. Then he's got this belt with the Z on it. Let's draw the circle. So directly in line with the middle there is that circle with a circle. And let's put a Z in there. There's a Z. Let's bring this belt onto here. Comes back up and around there like that. It's almost like a rope belt. Let's bring these zigzag lines around like this. Now he's got another bit of fabric that comes around. This sash comes up. There's a little bit of his skin there. This is underneath his arm. Now this is his hand. He's got these cool wrist guards on, like a lot of the Stumble Guys characters have. Let's put that on. Then you see a bit of his thumb and his hand coming out through there. And he's got this. And he's got this band around his arm up here as well. And then he's got his shoulder coming up. Let's put his muscle in there with his armband coming around like so. Oh, it's his arm coming up into there. And he's got like more 6-packs and stuff underneath there. Let's put a couple of little lines here to then do his wrist guard that looks like this. Now he's got a lightning bolt coming out of it. So zigzag that up like that. And don't forget this part of his wrist guard. Now he's got his hand and his thumb, similar to that side. Now let's draw his bottom of his pants. So bring this up a little bit. Bring that around. It comes around here like this. There's his pants. Now his thongs are quite tricky in his feet. So let's get this first part done. Comes around like this. And then we have another strap that comes up into there. This strap comes around like that. Then we have a little piece at the front. Then we have a bit that comes over his foot like this. Then you see a little bit of the front of his foot like that, like these sandals. Let's try and, this one's a bit more side on, so it's going to be tricky. So I'm just going to draw this sort of shape first, get most of the foot on. Now we've got a strap that comes down and around like this. Strap that comes down here. Then comes back up and around like that. And we've got the side in front of that. And we've got a strap that comes over. Don't forget the lightning coming from here. And then he's got other lightning that comes off him as well, which we can put on with the colour. Let's go around him with a thicker outline.